Hey everyone, coming to you once again with another video. This is my tropical juice video. So I got a tropical green juice and a tropical carrot juice. So first we're gonna prep our ingredients. Prep, cut, and clean our ingredients. Before you handle any food, you gotta make sure you gotta wash your hands. That is the most important thing, is hygiene. I stress this in my other videos. And if you're using any sharp object, any knife or anything, please use with caution. Please be careful. So I'm slicing the pineapples and I'm gonna place them to the side. Like I said, please be careful. Place those to the side, and they were really good, by the way. Now it's time to clean our carrots. So I washed them, I cut them, cut the little dark parts off, and clean them, and I placed them to the side. And that's how they look. And now for the apples. I used the green apples, and I believe those are Granny Smith apples, or no, those are McIntosh apples. And I'm just cutting the core, removing the core and the seeds. And I know you see some with stickers on them. Don't worry, the stickers were removed. Now it's time to make some juice. Some juice. Not no Minute Maid, some juice. So we're gonna start with the carrots. So I bought a whole bag of carrots, cleaned them, and I used the whole bag to juice. Now I'm gonna use some of the pineapples. And after using a couple more pieces, then I'm gonna start using some of the apples. The green and the red apples. And that's our carrot juice. Tropical carrot juice. Now it's time for the green juice. So I'm using the whole container of spinach. It was washed, and I just prepped it to the side, and I'm just slicing up the rest of the pineapples, and time to juice. Like I said, I used the whole container of spinach. And now I'm using my apples, both green and red apples, like I said. And now the pineapples. And voila, you have tropical green juice and tropical carrot juice. I hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. See you soon.